topic of this lesson: movable joints. Movable joints allow bones to move relative to each other's wing and wide range of motion. They contain the synovial fluid with reduced friction for smooth movement. What are the movable joints made of? Joints capsule throughout the joints and secretes synovial fluid. Second, synovial fluid lubricated the joints and nourished cartilage. Third one is cartilage, tissue that covers the joints and surface of the bones, allowing the flight smoothly over each other. Ligaments connect bones and ensure stability the bones and bones. Next one, types of movable joints. First type, ball and socket joints. This one is a picture. Second, huge joints is this one is second picture. And third one is pivot joints. C is third picture. Sorry, this one is ball and socket joints. Ball and socket joints allow the rotation movement and move deep with directions. Example: shoulder and hip joints, which provide a wide rotation of motion. Second is huge joints. Huge joints allow the movement in one direction, like a door hinge. Example: and knee joints, which are needed to bending and straightening. Third one is pivot joint. Pivot joint allows allows rotation around a single axis. Example: joints between the cervical vertebrae, which allow the hip to turn.